Why aren't you drinking your bottle? Good morning, it's day 2. Bob and I are about to make a shake for breakfast, I know. And that's it. So we'll let you know what's in the shake. We'll tell you when we walk on our way to work. Hi, Mr. Murray.
Morning.
It's day 2.
Day 2.
He's already gotten in a fight with the coffee machine and the coffee, what's that thing called?
I don't like any of it.
The thing you put your coffee in from the cup? Yeah. But that's only because he lost the really nice one that I gave him. Bob's fighting the dishwasher. Bobby. Hey. Sam's just stuck in the crossfire. Samuel! Hi, baby. Like, I feel like you are a real stereotype when you bring just like a head of broccoli to school.
There we go. I'm focused at least.
I'm really mad we didn't have a snow day.
Not much snow today.
But it's supposed to snow tonight at 4 a.m. There's a 40% chance.
How much snow?
I don't know. It doesn't say that on my weather app.
We're all meteorologists.
Yeah.
So we're teachers.
Constant hopes of getting a snow day.
We're on our way to school. Last week, somebody drove by us on this walk and splashed us with a puddle. And we're gonna find this car. What did the license plate say?
Too easy. Easy too. I'm easy. 8 kids too.
Something like that.
Something like that.
We're gonna find it though. This is my beautiful classroom. These awesome posters that my students made. And just right next door is my beautiful wife in her classroom.
My mess.
Hi, Mrs. Murray.
My sub said
Oh, you have heat in your room. I don't have heat in my room.
My sub said that no one did any of the work. So I'm gonna tell all my kids that I'm checking their attendance, and if they were here, this is a 2-day assignment. If they don't have this done when they walk in here, I'm not giving them credit. I'm gonna make it worth 50 points too.
0.
Like, I'm sick of seniors being like the laziest kids ever.
Happy Monday.
I had to answer like 5 questions. Turn it into my hand, or it's 0. And I'm making it 50 points. This is 50 points. You freaking kids.
Mrs. Murray.
Hi. So I'm home from work right now. Bob is miraculously sleeping. So I'm gonna try to get my 20-minute workout in. I usually do this during my lunch break, but we had a different schedule at school and I couldn't. And for some reason, my dog Sam is ridiculously freaked out by this camera. Come here, Sam. It's okay. He's so scared right now and I don't know why. This is what my child does. Like, I don't know if you'll know this, but boys, you guys are super destructive. Did you do that? So normal time making food, this is usually the scene. Hey! Okay, so we're making some, this is for tomorrow. This is chickpea curry with just mushrooms and red pepper and carrots and a jalapeno and an onion. I gotta put garlic in there, I forgot. Now he's on the move. And red lentils. Here we have some tofu, like browning. I don't want to take those out. Here we have just so many vegetables to go with our peanut sauce. So I'm going to get working on that and contain this good. Bobby! Earlier, when I had my monologues by myself, I talked about how Jimmy's trying to go gluten-free for his allergies. So I couldn't use noodles in this. So instead, we're using red lentils, which we'll see. I don't know. And then I just mixed that peanut sauce with all these vegetables. Bok choy and broccoli and green onion and edamame and carrots and green onion and a tomato and some cilantro. I know people are very passionate about cilantro. And then this is just some tofu with some teriyaki sauce that was left over from this like chicken thing, this like fake chicken thing. So I'm using that because waste not, want not. And Bob's having some lentils too because they're mushy. And we're gonna eat this.
Oh.
And
I'm the guy who gets to eat it. So.
yeah, and like, can I tell you, give me this, that I also made tomorrow's night's dinner while watching my child. So low. Look how good this looks. That's chickpea curry for tomorrow. Sorry, I'm my biggest fan. I'm always tooting my own horn.
Yeah, and I was just out in the garage saving us thousands of dollars on car repairs.
What have we got in here?
Some red lentils. How do you feel about it? Do you like that? You've never like, are you gonna spit it out? And how do you feel? Not a fan. One more? We have one last activity of the day. What is it?
I moved the kegerator to the basement. This ought to be fun.
We bought some kegs for a party. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph! Oh my God.
Bye.
He was just ready to take a leap down.
Scare your mother like that, Bob.
You could have given me a warning that you took the gate down.
Yeah. Bob's following me at a rapid pace.
He's helping.
Thanks, bro. Oh, Mamma Mia. Right next to the big screen. What do you think, Bob?
Yeah, last activity for the day. Let's go relax.
Or you could do that shelf thing too.
Where's Bob?
Okay, day 2 is done, right?
Yeah, we did it.
Yeah. What'd you eat today?
Oh, I had a shake for breakfast. I wasn't allowed to have any toast. And for a snack, I had like a head of cauliflower. So I'm lazy. But
You
it
had an
was
apple
really
with
good.
peanut butter too.
Actually, I just had spoonfuls of peanut butter. I feel like
Cutting it up an apple.
I couldn't find a knife.
I don't know, we had leftovers, and then for dinner tonight we had some. I wasn't disappointed with not having the noodles.
No, it was really good.
And red lentils are really good for you.
It's the sauce and the like the little green beans, or what are they?
Edamame.
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 That's what I like the best.
Yeah.
That's what I like.
Well, it's Bob's bedtime. He needs to go to sleep, so we're gonna get going because this is gonna deteriorate. But day 2 was good. I feel like this was like a really productive work day.
Yeah, we got a lot done, which is always nice during the week.
Yeah.
Work hard, play hard. James is with his mom today,
Yeah.
but he'll be back tomorrow.
He's at Boy Scouts right now.
Oh yeah, and
Yeah.
tomorrow's dance class. So, yeah, Bob's gonna go to bed, and
I think that's it.
yep,
That was just a typical Monday.
day 2 with the vegan Murrays.
Okay.